This is the final video to solve After Effects crashing after installing FX Console plugin. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve After Effects crashing after installing FX Console plugin, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses corrupted plugin cache files. FX Console, like other plugins, stores temporary data that can become damaged over time, leading to instability and crashes. By clearing this cache, we remove the corrupted data, allowing After Effects to rebuild it cleanly. Method 2 involves disabling GPU acceleration within After Effects preferences. Sometimes incompatibilities between the plugin, your specific GPU, and its drivers can cause rendering conflicts that manifest as crashes. Turning off GPU acceleration forces After Effects to rely solely on the CPU for rendering, which can often resolve these hardware-related conflicts. The third solution is to check for plugin compatibility and updates. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and ensure compatibility with newer versions of After Effects or operating systems. An outdated or incompatible FX Console version is a common cause of system-wide application failures. Finally, the fourth method is to perform a clean reinstallation of both After Effects and the FX Console plugin. This ensures that no residual corrupted files or incorrect configurations from previous installations are interfering with the software's operation, providing a fresh start for stable performance.